Hello, it's Just Gaming here, and welcome back to a tutorial video. And today, basically, we're going to be doing another Xbox tutorial today. Basically, in the last one, I talked about how to change your Xbox name. I did actually have a lot of people viewing on that. I had kind of a lot of people viewing on that. Apparently, a lot of people did like it, so that was pretty good. So basically, today we're gonna be doing a tutorial about the color and backgrounds. So basically, this was another tutorial that I wanted to do because you can actually change your own color and background of whatever you want it to be. So that means the color of what your So for example, basically the color. So you can see that my color is in green at the moment because I wanted it in green. So basically, that's what it means. So it means the color of what you want as your logo sort of thing. When you're clicking on things and that, it'll shave it. And the background means what color you want. What background do you want? So what background color do you want, or something like that. That's basically what kind of everything. Everything is. So right then. So let's get into it, and I'm going to go and show you the basic details. So let's get onto it then. And oh yeah, I need to put my code in, so just give me 1 second. Just going to put this in, and then I'll be right back. Alright guys, and here we go. So, yeah, as you can see, this is what it looks like. Yeah, it's alright this you guys, my headphones being a pain. Anyway, what we're saying, yeah. So, yeah, here we go then guys. So this is what it looks like at the moment. So this is what it looks like. So, the first thing, you got your colour. So if you click on here, you can see what colour you want. So here we go. So these are like all the colours. So there's not many colours. I've kind of had a few of them, so you can see there's a few colours you can go for. So this is the colour of what you want for your thing, for example. So I've gone for green. Also, you can change this. You can do that if you want. I'm not really bothered about that, to be fair. Also, you can change the tiles. I don't really bother with tiles. Also, you can pick which ones you want from here. So I went for the achievement art. I'm not sure if you can go for different ones. I think you can actually. Oh yeah, you can. Yeah, you can go for different ones. So I'm actually going to go for green as well for that. So I didn't actually know you can do all this. I didn't even know you can change all of it. No, never mind. Also, you can do custom image as well, where you can like customize your own stuff on that. And also there's kind of a few other things as well. Okay, I've got no devices connected on that, so it don't really matter. Oh no, I just backed out. Alright. Sorry about this, you guys, I backed out for some reason. Can I just put this back in again? There we go. Right, then I'm back. Okay, so I'm not gonna go on that. Also, you can do your screenshots, and you can also remove the custom background as well. So what background do you want? So yeah, so this is it at the moment. So I've just changed that, and I've changed that. Another thing that I really change is just these two. I don't really bother with anything else. Just because like technically I don't even really bother with anything else. That's another thing that I do. So yes, this is how you do it. So the way how it works is how do you get onto it? So you go into settings. I'm actually going to show you again. So you go on settings. You go down to personalizer, and you go down to my color and background. And then when you've done that, I'm not sure if you guys have got a code on that. I'm totally not sure, but if you have, basically you put your code in, and then it opens up with with a few boxes, and then you can do anything you want with it. So yeah, that's kind of the way how it works. I'm not going to go really into its full detail because I don't really know it exactly, but yeah, that's basically kind of the way how it works. I have been using it a few times, but I just don't really know it. So yeah, there's only two things that I do, so that's absolutely fine. So there we are then, guys. So that was that little tutorial, basically how to change your color and your background. So hopefully this tutorial has helped. Like I said, I'm going to try and do more of these little tutorial videos. Hopefully, I'll do more of them. At some point, there will be some more on Minecraft as well that I will do as well. So there will be some more random ones, maybe faces coming up as well. But yeah, I just wanted to do another Xbox one. So yeah, that's kind of the way I'm actually my colour and background. So yeah, hopefully it's helped. So yeah, I'll see you in the next tutorial video. Bye.